what it do? What it do? What's up? What's poppin', fam? It's your girl Crystal, aka CurlieCrys, okay? In the building. And in today's video, before I go ahead and tell you what we're doing, if you ain't joined the CurlieCrys family, if you ain't smashed that button down below, I'm gonna give you 10 seconds. Smash the button down below. Smash the button down below. 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm waiting. All right. So now that you are subscribed, let's continue. So in today's video, we are doing mini twists. I am starting a mini twist series, okay? I got a request from a family member, aka subscriber, and they said you should do a mini twist series. And I was like, wait, that's actually a good idea. So I have not done mini twists on my hair in a very long time. So I'm excited to do this. It's going to be, I'm not sure how many parts just yet, but we're going to be styling, remoisturizing, installing, all that goodness in this mini twist series. Don't know how long it's going to last, but I'm so excited to be doing that. And the products that we are using for these mini twists is the, okay, I had to get the leave-in. So the leave-in that I use is the Main Choice Kids leave-in. This is the Fruit Metally Detangling Kids leave-in conditioner. Y'all, I really did enjoy this. I have used this plenty of times. Well, not plenty of times, but I've used it one other time and I really did enjoy it. And I also showed it to you guys whenever I did use it. A little bit of this goes a very long way, and it's super moisturizing, and it's a kids leave-in, but hey, it works great on my hair. So I went ahead and used this again because y'all, the moisture that this leave-in gives me is crazy, and you do not need a lot of it, okay? It's highly concentrated, like for real, sis. And when I was using this leave-in, I was like, man, it has kind of like a lather to it when I put it in my hair. And now I'm reading the directions, and it says that you can rinse it out once you're finished, or you can leave it in. So it's a bomb kids leave-in conditioner. Like, I loved it. Then as a styler, we're going to be using the Eden Body Works Natural Defining Cream, the Curl Defining Cream. You guys know how I feel about this. I rave about this all the time. One of my absolute favorite curl defining creams period. Okay, I love this one. It gives me great definition. What is that? It gives me great definition and moisture, so love this. And then to seal, I'm going to be using the Ajwa Beauty oil. Y'all know I really did enjoy this. This is the Biomint Oil Blend. So I wanted to use products that I feel like are going to give me great moisture, since I will have these in for a while. And I also wanted to use products that you guys will enjoy and it will be helpful, since when doing mini twists, you leave them in for a while. So products that will prolong the amount of moisture that you have. So ones that give you like extra moisture, okay? So the leave-in conditioner is already applied. And my hair is in twists. Also, if you hear like a little noise, I have my space heater on because I just got out the shower and sis is cold, okay? Y'all, look at just the moisture levels. I mean, come on. What more do you want from me, Susan? What I'm going to do is apply the product into the entire section. So the leave-in conditioner is already applied. I'm going to go in with the cream and oil and apply it to the whole section, and then I'm going to twist. Then I'm going to make the mini twist. I also tested these products on my hand to see if they work together, which they do. And if you want to know how I test products on my hand, you can watch my video on my the new TWISTOUT combo, where I did not use any butter or creams. So I'll leave that right here or in the description box. Extra love to the ends. And now we're gonna go in with the oil and seal all that moisture on in. Make sure you're using the oil that is moisturizing, sis, okay? I should have detangled with the leave-in, honestly, but I did detangle in the shower too. So then I'm gonna go ahead and detangle, make sure everything is nice and smooth. And now we're going to twist. And also, since we're doing mini twists, I am going to be a little bit cautious about my parts. Usually I don't care about my parts, but I am going to care a little bit more about my parts since I'll be wearing these for a longer amount of time. Oh, and by the way, if anyone's wondering, like, why am I doing mini twists? So mini twists can basically be a protective style. So you do them smaller so that you can wear them longer. So it looks cuter, basically. Like, whenever you do big twists, it looks like you're gonna take them out. Like with mini twists, the look is I'm gonna keep them in because they look like they're a nice size to where you can wear them out and it looks fine, you know. Not saying that regular twists don't look fine, but you have more spaces, more gaps, you know. They're thicker. They look like you're going to do a twist out. Whereas mini twist is like, oh, it looks like you're going to leave these in for a little bit longer. And you also, by you leaving them in longer, that's less work and manipulation you have to do to your hair, so it gives you a break. So that's why it's a protective style. And you can also do multiple different cute styles with mini twists. And I'm going to do a video on that as well. Usually in this section that I'm doing right now, I'll usually do about 3 twists. But I'm going to do about 6 twists because they're mini twists. And we're going for that fuller look. Yes, sis. I have finished all of the twists. Finally, y'all. I now remember why I don't do mini twists. Because it takes too doggone long, okay? It's been about 2.5 hours to put these twists in my head. Like, they feel good and they look great. But y'all, woo! And to think I was thinking about stretching these twists, you got to be crazy. You got to be. They're gonna stay this length right here. So I also went in and added the whipped cocoa shea on top, just because this is the Glam Naturally Oil whipped cocoa shea, by the way. And I really added this one because I needed some more moisture, I felt. The cream was good, but I didn't feel like it gave me the amount of moisture that I needed, especially since like this is going to be a protective style. So I went ahead and added that to give me that extra shine and extra moisturized feeling. So I'm gonna let them dry a little bit, and then we're gonna come and look at the final results, the final look and everything. All right, fam, so the twists are fully dry. Y'all, they look so good. I'm gonna let y'all look at them when they dry. So this is how I install my mini twist. Let's get this series started because I'm excited as heck. I don't know how many twists I have in my head. I did not count. I am not going to stretch them because who has the time? So stay tuned to the rest of this mini twist series. I have so much in store. Drop me a comment down below if you enjoyed episode 1 of this mini twist series, how to install your mini twist. And then we'll get more and more episodes as the weeks carry on. Okay, so shout out to you guys for always supporting you, girl. I appreciate you as always, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, episode 2 of this mini twist series. Mwah. Peace.